Hot Wheels have now made an RC car. So let's get right into it and unbox it and realise how utterly pathetic it's going to be. Yep, as you can tell, I don't have high hopes for this. As, I mean, the drone wasn't particularly great, was it? But anyway, new setup going on. This could look really bad, I'm not sure. So I'm going to be standing like here, so I'm going to get in the way a little bit. But yeah, let's get this open and let's have a little play. Okay, so I'm jumping a little bit ahead of myself here. Let's actually take a look at the box first. So it says 1/20th scale racing series. On the back here, you can't even see it. lighting setup issue. There we go. As you can see on the back here, we got the other models. Got the quick and sick, fast four-wheel drive, the Impavido, that one, and the 24 hours, which is the one I've got. Yeah, out of all of them, I kind of wanted that one. I might have to buy it online, because the only two they had was this one and the fast four-wheel drive, and I really don't like the look of the spoiler on that car at all. But yeah, apparently it's made by NicoRC.com. Apparently that's kind of stickered on there. Seems like a pretty official Hot Wheels product. I need to stop, yeah. This lighting isn't the best, I need to think about that. Fast racing action. As we have looked on the box, I mean, there's not a lot to really see. I mean, it says 27 megahertz there, that's about it. Let's get in, shall we? Hopefully you can see enough. Hang on, let me move my blue tacked light. There we go. Now we're in. I'm trying to keep my arms out of the way of the shot. Oh, more tape. My favourite. I'm going to cut I'm going to cut everything. Right, let's get it out of its pristine packaging, shall we? Oh no. That's better. Oh wow, instructions. There's one thing you always should do when you get instructions. First thing you do is this. And then we move on to the car. Actually, we might go and get them and just... Nope, I have managed to throw them. Well, I can already tell it takes... we'll use up 5 of your lovely AA batteries. That's the main reason I want to look at this. I want to see how many batteries it used. Oh, here we go. There's some nice pictures for you. Okay, so... don't use it near power lines, because apparently power lines will be affected by the immense speed and power of this car. Oh, my light has fallen. Don't use it in the sun. Don't use it in the rain. Don't use it on the mountains. Don't use it on grass. Don't smash into anything. Don't spray it with water, and don't wash it. Oh, you can wash it. Wash it with a cloth. You're allowed to do that. So basically, don't do anything with it except wash it. It's literally saying don't use it. If you can't use it in the sun or the rain, what are you supposed to do? Why have you used screws? They just want to make it harder for me, don't they? 1, 2. There we go. Right. There we have the controller. It's like a game controller, except really, really poor. That feels really quite bad. But yeah, we got the forward, backwards, left, right. Did I just say left on the right and then right on the left? Well done, me. I don't even know my rights from left. So here is the car. Wow. That is... not gonna lie, it looked better in the box. It's all just basically a plastic shell. No detail in it or anything. Apart from some stickers and some paint. But that's kind of what most RC cars are like, unless you go hobby grade. And take the case off, look. I know, we'll put a screwdriver under it and then it'll ping off and we'll lose it. Or I'll stab myself in the hand with a screwdriver. Yep, that's gone. I like the fact I'm taking this apart before I've even tested it or used it. Yep, exactly what I expected. Let's really dodgily move the camera. Little silver motor in there. There's bound to be some gears in there somewhere. Another little silver motor in there. Your little circuit board. Battery compartment in there. I wish I could reverse engineer that and say what that lot is, but I actually don't have a clue. I could tell you what a couple of the components are, but I couldn't say why they're there or anything else. But yeah, I don't know. I'll be honest, I have pretty low hopes for this car. Oh, that's a good start. Oh no, I did something it told me not to do. Oh, I just did it again. Yeah, oh no, I'm doing it so wrong. Oh, I'm such a rebel. I'm going to get arrested if I keep this up, doing what I'm told not to do. Oh no, I did another illegal thing. Let's see how it does outside. I hit a wall. It's one of those cars you can follow. It's kind of quick, but it ain't great. Can it jump off a curb? Wow, it jumped off a curb, look. Right, let's see how far it can go before I lose signal. Oh, it's going the wrong way now. Oh, it's lost signal. Completely gone. So, yeah. It's about 11 steps away, so it's probably about 3 meters, 4 meters. Not gonna lie, that's not very good. You wanna go?
Huh?
You wanna go with it? You lost signal again.
Yeah.
You're not that far away from it, to be fair. I think it needs a bit more speed. Oh, watch it, watch it. I'm going to tread on it in a minute. Look out. That's my thought. But speed boost. Oh yeah, look at it go. I can't keep up. Stop going round in circles. I can just do this. Got ya. I mean, it's kind of entertaining, I suppose. Yeah, you crashed it again. So, there we have it for the Hot Wheels racing remote control car. All in all, I'm actually slightly more impressed with it than I was expecting. It's not great, but it's not terrible. I mean, for the price, I suppose, you know. Yeah, I mean, it's great for entertaining the kids, I suppose. If you've got some young kids, buy them a couple of these, you know. They'll be entertained really well. My younger brother loved it, so, you know, they are pretty good for that. Not very good if you are interested in RC cars or trying to get into them, because, I mean, it's just, you know, it's just a small little RC car with the generic small motors, and, you know, I have had experience with the more hobby grade stuff, which I kind of want to go back into. So everything else kind of seems a bit dull. But yeah, you know what? For kids, this is actually really good. It's not too expensive. I do quite like the look of them. They've got quite nice plastic shells. They feel quite strong as well. They shouldn't break too easily. I mean, I've already crashed it multiple times, and it, you know, you can't even tell the difference. So yeah, I might get another one and try and race them or something. Not sure. We'll see, because it'll be quite an anticlimactic race. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed. Please leave your comments down below. What do you think of this RC car? And I shall see you again in the next one. It's doing a burnout. Well, it's kind of an anticlimactic burnout at that.